My IQ just beeped at me. It was stitching and all of a sudden I ran out of bobbin. Let me show you how to handle that on your Intelliquilter system. My IQ beeped at me and it says thread break detected. Right now, if I just put my hands in view, if I try to move my machine back and forth and sideways, it is stuck where it is. I can't just manhandle it and move it around because my motors are engaged. I only have one option on the screen, and that is restart. So thread break detected, it beeped at me a bunch of times. I'm going to click restart. As soon as I do that, my motors free up, and now I can move my machine around as easily as possible. What you're going to see is these red lines on the screen are where my design has already stitched. Green is what is programmed to continue to stitch. If we look at our quilt, my program thought that it stitched all the way to the bottom of the ribbon here, but I actually lost my thread all the way back there. Good 6-inch curve all the way back there. So I'm going to replace my bobbin and I'm going to tack off my threads and I'm going to show you how to restart. So this is where I lost my bobbin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull tight on that bobbin thread so that it pulls tight against the back of my quilt. I'm going to hold my two threads together and I'm going to clip them off. I know, don't gasp. I'm doing this because I plan on tacking my threads. I'm going to take my machine, it's still free to use. I haven't touched any other buttons on my IQ. I'm going to count about 6 stitches back and I'm going to start my threads again. Right on the line of where I was stitching. And I'm just going to basically go in between threads to kind of lock those stitches in real tiny. It shouldn't really add much to bulk on my fabric. It says restart the stitching, move the needle to the restart location and hit OK. So right where my needle is, you can see that my needle is indicated by this red crosshair here, and the arrow is pointing the direction that it's going to stitch. It thought it stopped all the way back here, but I had to start my threads back here. So when I hit OK, it's going to start stitching this line again. I have already pulled up my bobbin and secured my threads, and I'm going to leave my needle right over the stitching line. It takes a single stitch, and now it has taken what was red as already stitched up here, and it has programmed it back to green so that it can restart stitching all of that again. With my threads secure, I can go ahead and hit start, and it's just going to quilt that section again. Make sure you don't leave any thread tails in the way. If you need to replace your bobbin because a thread broke, your top thread ran out, your machine runs into something and it hits an obstruction and it needs you to come take care of that thing that's in the way so that it can continue to stitch. It allows you to continue stitching in the section that you're already quilting. That's the purpose of using your restart function on your Intelliquilter robotics machine. Check out my Bold Notion Quilting YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials, both for free motion and for Intelliquilter robotics. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye!